Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla Cybertrucks Supercharging and crash testing point to imminent release. Tesla Cybertruck fleet spotted at Fremont Factory. J.D. Power rates Tesla Supercharger Network as best. And Tesla Model 3 Highland to arrive in showrooms in China this month. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla Cybertrucks are supercharging in numbers at Giga Texas. A few units were spotted using the automaker's electric vehicle chargers at the factory recently as the Cybertruck nears deliveries. Earlier this month, a single Cybertruck was spotted at Giga Texas using the factory's supercharger piles located on the property. It was the first instance of a Cybertruck being seen plugged into a supercharger and gave us an additional look at the front of the vehicle as an insert was spotted in the bed of the truck. However, Cybertruck supercharging is becoming a more popular occurrence at the Texas factory. A new video from outside the walls of Tesla's Austin-based production plant shows 3 units sitting plugged into supercharger stalls. Tesla could be performing simple analyses on the Cybertruck to determine its charging performance and could be checking to make sure everything internally with the pickup is normal, as these early units could be the first to make their way to customers. We have been seeing an increase in sightings of Cybertrucks over the past few months. However, within the last few days, these sightings have become more interesting as 9 Cybertruck units arrived at the Fremont Factory in Northern California. Additionally, 2 crash-tested Cybertrucks were spotted in Northern California recently. Tesla operates its own crash testing facility within the Fremont property, but TRC California is also nearby, which is a facility commonly used by OEMs for crash testing. Several days ago, Cybertruck units were also spotted heading northbound on I-55 in Missouri. Interestingly, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) operates a crash testing facility in Ohio, which operates under the same TRC acronym as the California facility. One of the 3 routes Google Maps selected would take the Cybertrucks up I-55 to get to TRC Ohio. Perhaps crash testing is imminent for the Cybertruck, which would make it available for sale as long as the EPA has granted the all-electric pickup a certificate of conformity for operation on public roads. Moving to the next update, Tesla Cybertruck fleet spotted at Fremont Factory. Recent photos shared by electric vehicle enthusiasts online have revealed that a fleet of Tesla Cybertruck units has been delivered to the Fremont Factory. At the time the photos were taken, a total of 9 Cybertrucks could be seen at the electric vehicle maker's Fremont, California plant. The Cybertruck fleet was cited by EV advocate group, the Kilowatts, which has kept a close eye on Tesla's developments in the area. As could be seen in the images, the vehicles were transported to the Fremont factory using 3 car carrier trucks, with each one carrying 3 Cybertrucks each. Similar to a vehicle that was spotted in Lanoc, some of the Cybertrucks at the Fremont factory were fitted with front traps. The photos of the Cybertruck fleet were taken from a distance, so close details of the vehicle could not really be made out. From where the images were taken, however, it seemed like the Cybertrucks were production units as they looked refined and ready for consumer deliveries. The reason for the Cybertruck fleet's delivery to the Fremont factory remains unknown for now, though speculations are high among Tesla enthusiasts that the vehicles may have been delivered to California because they will be used as display units at local showrooms. If these speculations prove right, it will bode well for the Cybertruck's impending deliveries. When the Tesla Cybertruck was unveiled in late 2019, the electric vehicle maker estimated that the electric pickup truck could start deliveries around December 2020. This did not come to pass, and earlier this year, Tesla executives noted that the Cybertruck would finally see its initial deliveries sometime in 2023. Considering the wave of Cybertruck sightings in recent weeks, as well as the quality of the recently spotted pickup trucks, it may indeed seem that deliveries of the all-electric pickup truck are coming. And when it does, the United States roads will likely be changed forever. Moving to the next update, J.D. Power rates Tesla Supercharger Network as best. One of the most visible assets of Tesla is the Supercharger Network. J.D. Power's 2023 U.S. Electric Vehicle Experience (EVX) public charging study has ranked the public charging station network as the best. The superchargers, popular for their bright red branding colors, gathered 739 points out of 1,000 out of a ranking of DC fast chargers that J.D. Power considered in the study. ChargePoint, EVgo, and Electrify America scored 636 points, 569 points, and 538 points respectively. Rival EV makers have been adding supercharger compatibility to their cars, including Ford, General Motors, and Rivian, significantly increasing the number of chargers available to their EV owners. This suggests Tesla's NACS is well on its way to becoming the EV charging standard for North America. J.D. Power's executive director Brent Gruber commented on the impact of throwing superchargers to all EVs. With greater adoption of the North American charging standard, NACS, pioneered by Tesla, it may provide a boost in fast charging satisfaction among owners of EVs from other brands as they begin to use Tesla's supercharger stations, he said. Tesla, however, continues to improve the supercharger's capacity, with the version V4 speed topping out at 350 kW. The sixth V4 supercharger station was recently built at Giga Berlin in Germany. According to information on its website, Tesla has more than 45,000 superchargers globally. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model 3 Highland to arrive in showrooms in China this month. Tesla is set to transport Model 3 Highland sedans to showrooms in China, putting them on display for customers later this month, a new report from Bloomberg claims. Speaking to anonymous sources that are familiar with the matter, the report indicates that Tesla is nearing the completion of display vehicle manufacturing at the Gigafactory Shanghai plant in China. Tesla plans to transport these vehicles to showrooms in the country in the latter part of August. Mass production is slated to begin soon thereafter and ramp up through China's national holiday that starts on September 30th. Tesla has been developing the new Highland Model 3 design for over a year, and recently, rumors regarding the potential release of the vehicle have intensified due to increased sightings and more leaks from factories. Recently, reports out of China had indicated that Tesla is planning to set the stage for first deliveries as soon as September. Tesla salespeople are even encouraging customers to pay 1,000 yuan, which is around $137, for a reservation, according to a report from China Securities Journal. Earlier this month, we reported that several Chinese financial outlets had indicated Tesla has already started trial production in China for the new Model 3 design, and mass production was slated for September. Initial deliveries, according to this report, would not begin until October. It seems that the delivery date is still up in the air, but based on all the various reports, the Highland Model 3 should be available in China within the next 2 to 3 months. Interestingly, Tesla has also performed upgrades at its Fremont Factory in Northern California that hinted toward Highland Model 3 production. We have tracked the upgrades at the factory for some time, and the first permits we saw out of Fremont for the Highland project were listed during the summer of 2023. Things are continuing to move forward in China, however, and it seems the Model 3 Highland will make an appearance there first, while Tesla is likely to focus more on the release of the Cybertruck for the North American market, which is slated for its first deliveries before the end of the year. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.